On this episode, we're making delicious, low-budget sheet pan fajitas.
Coming in at $9 for 4 people.
On this episode of Cookin' with Coop.
We are about to cross over to 1,000 subscribers.
Baby! Yeah, we thought we would celebrate by doing a little giveaway.
Yes!
So if you want to hear all about the details of the giveaway, stick around to the end of the video to find out what we got in store for you.
Yes.
So Mom, sheet pan fajitas.
Sheet pan fajitas.
What do we got to do for our first step in making sheet pan fajitas?
First step, we're gonna slice up our veggies.
Okay.
You're gonna be doing all the slicing. We have a sweet onion and we have a red pepper. So we'll start with the onion.
Okay.
So it's always best to have an onion on a flat surface when you cut it. So you're
Yes.
gonna cut this onion in half.
Cut it in half.
Right down the middle. So once you cut that pepper in half, because we want bite-sized strips.
Yeah.
Cool. See how it's filled with seeds?
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna hold it up and you're gonna kind of like slice it down around the seeds. Yep.
Right there?
Yeah, basically as you're looking in at it, yeah,
Just avoid
on
the
each side, yeah.
avoid the
Seeds.
seeds.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then just do it all the way around. All right, we can throw this baby out.
We don't need those seeds. Those seeds are like much hotter, right?
No,
the
this is
pepper?
a sweet pepper.
Oh, this is a
But
sweet
you're
pepper.
right. If that was
Okay.
a jalapeno, you would have been spot on.
Yeah.
That would have been the seeds were the hot spot.
Okay, we just don't want the seeds here.
No. Okay, so this is called the meaty side of a pepper.
The meaty
This
side.
is the skin side of the pepper. I always cut through the meaty side because this tends to be tough and hard to cut through.
3 days later.
Appreciate you for being patient, Mom, because it's a little slow cooking with Coop. It's a little slow.
But you're learning.
I'm learning.
This is how we learn.
I'm building confidence.
Yes. Moving on to our chickie.
A chicken.
So there's 4 big breasts in here.
4 big meaty breasts.
So this is called filleting when you slice the chicken in half. This is what I do. I
Okay.
put my hand down and I try to figure out where the middle is. And then I just, slow and steady, and I try to stay in the middle.
All right, everyone. Wish me luck.
Coop's filleting.
Like a good angle on it.
Oh, is it working? Good job, Coop. Let's see.
Good thing I wasn't moving faster. Look at that.
It's first try.
First try. Come on, guys.
But it's
Come on.
okay. It's okay. No problem. Now the chicken is filleted. We're gonna cut it into little strips. Now we're gonna go. We want small strips, so we're gonna go this way. Try and make thin strips.
Thin strips? Okay.
Perfect. Put it in the bowl.
Oh,
Put it in the bowl.
sorry. So there's our veggie and our chicken. What's up next, Ma?
We are gonna take our fajita mix.
Fajita mix.
We're gonna drizzle a little olive oil on each batch. Swiggle, swiggle.
Do a little swiggle.
Yeah, just keep it in the bowl, Cooper. Let's just do a little mix-a-rooney. We'll toss a poop.
Actually, I'm gonna hone in my inner Ashley right now.
Okay.
You gotta see her when she cooks popcorn.
Oh, no.
She's like a whiz with the bowl, but this is exactly what she does.
Okay, I like
It's
that.
kinda working. So, I assume this is where the sheet pan fajita
right, Cooper.
element comes into play.
Here we are, home stretch.
You, me, this pan,
And that sheet
and
pan.
a dream.
I like to spray the pan just
Okay.
for some crisp. Ooh. Just for some crisp action.
Crisp has been.
Half it's gonna go on one side and half is gonna go on the other. Can you believe this is just 2 breasts?
I know, it's a lot.
Right?
Actually, I have no reference. Sure.
He's just learning. It's all right.
All right, so these are going in the oven?
In the oven, 425 for 20 minutes. Ooh.
That's looking good,
It's
Mom.
looking really good.
We pulled it out a little bit early.
Yeah, like 5 minutes early, but that's part of cooking, Cooper.
That's part of cooking. You gotta keep your eyes on it.
Watch your food.
Yeah. All right, so now we got everything baked up, cooked up, fried up, crisped up. It is time for the assembly.
The taste test.
The taste test.
I'm gonna put some glue on it,
You gotta put some glue on.
AKA sour cream.
Yeah, if you put the sour cream down first, everything else sticks right on
Right,
top
and you
of
get
it.
a little sour cream in every bite. Okay, a little bit of pepper and a little bit of chicken. I'm gonna top it with a little sapa, a little squeeze of lime.
Oh, fresh squeeze of lime. Mm.
You
I
take
did
a
it.
bite, then I'll take a bite.
Okay. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Holy crap.
That's delicious.
Oh my gosh. The like seared up chicken and the seasoning, the fajita seasoning.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful flavor combination.
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. Thank you for teaching me how to make this. And before we go, guys, we have to give you the details on our 1,000 subscribers special giveaway. We are going to be giving away a few of our favorite items that we've used over the course the last 3 years
Yes,
shooting the show,
indeed.
including
The Meat Chopper 5000.
the Meat Chopper 5000,
It's gonna be great.
the Immersion Blender, Mom's favorite spices, multicolored silicone spatulas, and a patriotic dish towel. All right, so if you want a chance to win, if you want to enter to win, you have to comment below the number 1,000
Yes.
and like the video.
Yes.
And
Only on YouTube.
only on our YouTube channel, because we're gonna post a short as well. You
Yes.
have to comment on our YouTube channel
Yes.
on this video.
Yes.
And in 2 weeks' time, we will randomly pick a winner of this beautiful set of prizes. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know if you made this dish, and we will see you in the
time.
next one.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. I just kind of realized how slow I was going.
Okay, we're fast forwarding, aren't we?
Yes.
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 Oh, Mom.
Oh, gooey, gooey, gooey.